Oh god, that was loud.
Oh my, what in the world is going on? Earring. That's an earring.
Oh, finally.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll fix my app
Can you
first.
guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Bad.
Yeah, a little.
Yeah, I'm on my computer because I actually have good microphone for it, but I could always switch over to like my iPad or something, but I only have earbuds that I can use to talk.
Your mic is like okay, like it's not bugging me.
Jack, you need to like take a step away from your mic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it is loud. Let me see if
Wow,
I can...
that was something else. Let me see. Let me switch my because my computer doesn't always stay connected to the internet. Let me see.
Windows computers.
No, like my router is like all sorts of messed up.
That's kind of weird.
So who's
What
excited for the code jam?
Who left? Oh no. Alright. I'll fix my app first.
Okay.
I think someone's talking, but we can't hear you.
See Leah's a bit. What the heck?
Just, it's like, you need to turn up your mic now. Yes!
What?
Alright, my input volume's at 10%. Is this good?
Oh, this is good. Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
Good news.
Alright, well, Discord appears to be working.
Who joined again? Okay, cool. Teamix attached.
Okay, so can you guys hear?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
little loud, but
Oh. Well, I'm using earbuds. Does it sound better than before?
yeah, a little.
Okay, I'm on my phone. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be able to do it though. Currently on my iPad, since I can't, I have to download the app on my iPad instead of using the browser, which has worked in the past.
Huh.
Matt, I see you online. Are you actually here?
I think he's AFK.
Hmm.
He's everywhere and nowhere at the same time.
Yeah. I'm like the highest pitched person here.
Okay, who joined again?
Whoa,
Naka.
hello.
Hey, Naka.
Oh my god, we're unmuted.
Naka, you have a lot of like background noise.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do.
Don't hear much of it.
Invalid transport.
Is that better?
Yeah.
a little.
Do you have that thing on in the Discord settings that like turns
The
off?
noise suppression?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just turned it on.
Socket.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Who is this?
Who is
Yes.
I'll restart it.
Who's
Oh yeah,
who?
yeah. Then I got disconnected.
who?
That was a problem.
Oof. What are you guys up to?
Just trying to fix
Well,
my app.
yeah, I'm working.
Wait, connection timeout. Are you kidding me?
I only see one person on. Oh wait, my phone just updated. I'm stupid. Oh no, my phone is.
Hey, it's Maka.
Hello.
Oh no.
It's not snack time yet.
Someone
connect.
needs to mute themselves.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, is that Maka talking? My phone isn't showing who is and isn't talking. It's
No,
like
Maka hasn't said
lagging
a
a
thing
lot.
yet.
Oh.
Whenever I send a message about Discord being back, it doesn't send.
WebSocket. Why is it not connecting to my website? Alright, I'm gonna restart my Discord. Just
Did you guys
Sockets are a ton of fun.
did you guys look at Discord's Twitter post about the outage?
Oh, I didn't look at the Twitter now.
Oh, it
Is
was
it Mimi?
it's hilarious.
Alright, I'm checking right now.
let's see.
Someone spilled milk on the server again.
Why is it
Spilling-
connecting Chima? What the heck?
You spilled milk on what?
Their
Someone spilled
servers.
milk on the Discord servers.
How?
Look what's
Kidding.
in our new PAX pin. Wait, where's the?
Bowser eggs.
Oh, I don't see one. The last one I see is, our team is full force tackling the current connection issue.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's like, what you mean like the replies to it? Or
Yeah.
oh, dev team right now shows cats frantically typing. Discord can confirm me right now. Dogs typing.
Look for the one that has a Picto chat screenshot.
Picto chat.
You know the
There's so many gifs
Picto
of
chat?
cats typing. Yeah, the
You
DS
don't-
thing.
Yeah.
What like?
Oh, Matt is back? Good.
Why coffee bears vacuuming pandas?
What?
Oh, no. Oh.
Who is that?
Who is who? Me.
I don't know. I just no, like who just yelled? What is that?
I think that was Leon.
Oh,
Okay.
I can
So-
hear like echoing from someone's microphone. Or
Connecting.
Maybe I'm gonna turn my volume down a little bit.
no, I don't think it's you.
Okay.
Is it me?
The server responded with a status code of 500.
Oh,
I think it's Leon or something. I can't see who's talking, because my phone's being stupid.
All right. This
Hello,
says,
hello.
"Don't
Do
mind
you
me.
hear
I'm
an
going
echo?
back to Picto chat. Mind if I join you? Meet me up. I'm somewhere in Jamaica. Is that the one?"
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I'd join that Picto chat server.
have a
I-
larger
It's
audience
just
Yeah.
as good
than
as it's
expected.
just as good as Discord.
Yeah.
So I have a question for you guys. What do you guys want to see in the next CoJam?
I don't really know.
I want to see unbiased voting,
Yeah.
or perhaps just have someone vote who actually knows how other languages than Python work.
Yeah.
That was mostly to Zwack, but
Yeah. Right now we can do Lang debate, but without the slow mode.
oh yeah,
No,
that'd be
you
nice.
can't.
The slow mode should be like 5 seconds instead of 10.
Yeah, slow mode should be less.
Are you kidding me? Just connect. Oh my god, what is happening? I hate this.
Discord is clearly still having some issues.
Obvi-
Some, but
Indeed.
less.
I
Why
don't
am
think it takes a genius to figure
Oh,
that
I
out.
see why. I see.
Few people are still muted.
They muted themselves.
Oh, they mute themselves.
Okay.
So is Matt just listening?
He's recording this.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I would think he would want to like talk
Talk.
as well.
He didn't talk the last session.
Oh, he didn't.
We had a last session.
I don't think he did. Yeah, Joe was the last session.
Oh.
Well, I was only around for like the last little bit of the last session.
So like we were just talking about Prybar, that thing you can install universal packages that Rob's making, but it's still not released this year.
I think it would be cool for the next challenge to be like generative art.
Ooh, you know what would actually be cool?
What?
If you had to use Polygot. Like you had to. Or
Well,
using Polygot, you had to use more than one language, so like they would interface with each other.
that might be cool, but
That would be pretty awesome.
Yeah, I made a polyglot REPL just because I didn't know what language I would do it in yet. So
I have like 50.
yeah, I have one for Julia and I have one for the Code Jam.
Oh, that reminds me. I kept wanting to try to see if I could actually use Julia and Polygot.
Yeah,
I
I
spent
figured out how.
well, like without it. Did you use the install PKG thing?
Oh no, I didn't.
Oh well, so that breaks sometimes. So like I can't always use it. Like for Neko, which is a VM.
Yeah, the VM for Pearl
yeah.
6. Wait, no,
Well,
not
no,
Pearl
it's
6.
not for
That's
Pearl
more
6.
VM. Sorry.
Yeah,
There are too many VMs in the
it's
world.
mainly just for I think it's one of the backends for hacks, but I just like it as its own thing. But I figured out like a hack to make it work because the library files get copied in the wrong directory.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, but like with free Pascal, I tried installing that.
Whoops.
Not only does it take forever to actually run the REPL, but it doesn't
REPL.
work anyways.
Repl.
REPL.
Repel.
Repel.
Like, how do we like? It's
But
kind of weird to pronounce though.
I spent like then almost I spent most of Thursday trying to get the red language to work. I'm like, it comes as a single file. It shouldn't be that much of a problem. Requires libcurl 3. Can't install anything on a REPL because there's no root.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I see why there's no root, but
Well, I don't because you can't escape the container.
that's true.
Once Rob or Turbio or both of them get that working, that's gonna be awesome. I was wanting to use red for the code jam, but I guess I'll have to resort to something else
Yeah.
better.
So I was learning geometric sequences in school like a while back, and I just used Perl 6 sequence operator.
Geometric sequences like shapes
No,
or
like
equations.
exponential equations. It's another way to write them.
Oh yeah, you can use Perl 6 for that kind of stuff.
Yeah, I used the sequence operator. Probably cheating, but whatever.
I've used Perl 6 a couple times in math and chemistry this year.
Yeah, I'm still in 8th
Mostly
grade, so
just
I don't
like
really have chemistry yet.
like we were doing I forget what it was. We were doing something with like atomic radius thingies. So I just put all the numbers in a Perl 6 list, iterated through them and did something with them, and it gave me the answer like right then instead of me having to spend all class period working on it.
That's great.
Yeah. And then I've used like Julia and stuff for math quite a bit in Haskell.
It's annoying how the sequences start at one-based indices, because I'm so used to zero-based indices now.
Whenever I get a sequence, I just convert it to a list because I have no clue how to use a sequence.
No, I mean not like a coding one, but like in math class, they start at 1.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
Hmm.
But yeah, there's also that too. I use
I don't
dot
mind.
list or whatever.
I don't mind one-based indexes. I don't get why people make such a big deal out of them.
Well, just because it's ingrained in my head to use zero-based indices.
Weird. Because I use a few languages that start at 1.
Yeah, like Julia. Does Lewis start at 1?
Lua definitely does.
Yeah.
Desmos.
Oh yeah,
Can
Desmos.
understand why math-based languages such as R and Julia start at 1,
Yeah.
just because they're targeted towards data scientists. Starting at
Yeah.
1 makes
Use.
a lot
Yeah,
more
I
sense.
guess.
Otherwise, eh.
Yeah, that also reminded me. My friend Dalton in Desmos was able to make a binary calculator,
Yeah.
and
My friend Bijan made a Turing machine in Microsoft Excel.
well, yeah, I've seen that before.
Yeah, and in Microsoft Word.
And my friend Dalton also made base 64 thingy in Desmos, and he's made like two-dimensional animations. And just
Cool.
yesterday, he was showing me like this video he made in Desmos of like cars driving down a highway.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, apparently, there's like a project once you learn conics or whatever to make an image in Desmos.
Oh yeah. That's stupid. I made the C logo, and it was really easy. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in instead of just having like an outline. That was easy. I just had a really big really long equation with tons of integrals and crap to make a hexagon that was filled in. I got a really low grade on the project. I don't know why. I thought that was really impressive.
Well, probably because
Oh,
I mean
and
they
then
probably underestimated it. But
yeah, and while doing it, I learned that Desmos has conditionals.
yeah, it has like restrictions. It's like
Well, not just restrictions, actual conditionals like else, but
wait,
it
really?
doesn't. Yeah, basically
How?
you use the braces, curly
Yeah, the
braces.
braces thing. Yeah.
You put a condition and then a colon and then the expression or equation you want after that, then a comma, and you keep putting those until you want to have your else, which and for that you just put a comma and then the else expression, if that makes sense.
So what again? Like you put the conditional and then the colon and then the lists.
Basically, I could do like 1 equals 1 colon 1 comma 1 equals 2 colon 2 comma 3, like that kind of thing,
Okay.
which is basically if 1 then 1, else if 1 equals blah, if 1 equals 1 1, if else if 1 equals 2 2, else 3, that kind of thing.
Okay.
Wow, I
Yeah.
just talked for a while. But also I learned Desmos. In Desmos you can do like operations on lists. Like
Cool.
if you put a list in a normal equation, it creates that equation for every element in the list.
Oh, I don't even know how to do lists in Desmos. Like,
It's just like in a normal language, use
so you do
square
like
brackets.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
Alright, yeah.
with commas and stuff.
Alright, so I did like
Huh?
oh, I see. Oh, I see what this is doing.
What?
Yeah, I'm looking at
Oh,
the
yeah.
conditionals.
Yeah, conditionals are
Yeah.
cool. I use them to make the C in the C logo when I was doing my project.
Yeah.
Um, I also learned that with restrictions, you can just put equations in them and you can nest them as well. So you can have like multiple equations or expressions as long as they relate to the main one, if that makes
Okay.
sense.
So Naka, when I asked you about what database you use to
Mhm.
for your bot, could you? I think what you did was very smart. Can you tell people what you did? Like, cause to give context, Naka's bot uses some very large numbers to store information, like huge, and that size of a number usually exceeds the bit
Exceeds this.
length
Yeah, the
for
bit limit.
long data types. So can you
I don't even know what Naka's
me what you
database
did?
is.
He
Yeah,
uses Mongo.
No, like what it's for and stuff.
For the blob points or whatever.
I'm just
Wait.
gonna pretend I know what that is.
The BP.
It's just a game. It's just
Okay.
a lot like Cookie Clicker,
Yeah,
or
the
whatever.
coffee bot.
Oh,
But
is it?
basically the way I store it is like all the numbers are stored as floats. Actually, they're not like whole integers or
Oh
anything like that.
yeah.
Well, yeah,
But they're
floats are
actually
arbitrary
displayed
precision.
as whole numbers whenever somebody uses a command or something.
Oh yeah. That's
That-
how.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
that's how
'Cause
Lua
floats are
works.
like arbitrary precision.
Mm-hmm.
Lua
So
stores everything
basically,
as like floats and just makes it look like an integer if it's a whole number.
Cool.
mhm.
I kind of like how Perl 6 stores everything as fractions.
Oh yeah, that way there are no that
There's
way
no, like,
0.1
weird
plus 0.2 equals
artifacts.
0.3.
Yeah.
Also found out another way to test like um floating point bugs is if 3.4 minus 5.6. It should equal 2.2, but sometimes it can equal 1.99999.
You're saying that 3.4 minus 5.6 should equal 2.2?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be negative?
Yeah, negative 2.2.
Yeah,
My bad. But yeah,
yeah.
that's another
I was
way I
confused
figured.
for a second.
Yeah. How much have you used? Like, what all have you used Perl 6 for?
Not too much, really.
Hmm.
But
I think
I think it's a cool language.
yeah, it just like its predecessor, it can be good for like regular scripting, but it could be used for like large scale projects and stuff because it
Yeah.
has the power to be able to do that.
Yeah, if I was gonna say something. Have you seen that article on like this person who put a custom dashboard board in their DeLorean that runs Perl?
Really?
Yeah,
I need that DeLorean.
yeah. Not Perl 6, just normal Perl.
Yeah, there's a big difference.
Yeah.
Another thing many people don't get, including pretty much everyone else who's listening.
Okay.
Uh, what's I gonna say? What else do
Hi,
you... Who is that?
it's me, ABC.
Oh, 3354. Okay.
Ah,
What the?
All right, I sent the link to the article on oof topic.
okay. That is definitely something to bookmark.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
My app is not connecting for some reason. It's annoying.
I love that. I love it when that
Maka,
happens.
Maka, weird flex.
Hmm. Wait, Maka has a DeLorean?
Apparently, if random people on the internet are to be trusted.
Hmm.
Seriously, none of you people seen Back to the Future?
I've
I-
seen it.
It's
I
a
did.
DeLorean and it's a time machine.
Yeah, we
So
know.
I only drive it from time to time.
Oh,
That
that's
was a
good.
really
Just
bad
noticed that.
pun.
Oh, that's good.
I love you.
Okay, that was a horrible pun. That's a dad joke.
That
I need
was
to use
amazing.
That gets a pin.
I need to use that if I'm a dad.
Zach just
Beautiful.
pinned it.
That's great.
Oh my gosh.
I want to edit and fix the typo now that it's pinned though.
Okay.
That time is just perfect.
I think it's not my
Yeah.
fault. Right, I don't see any RP.
Are you still working on the electron thing, Leon?
Yeah, the RP. So like, none of the RPCs are showing.
The rich presents things.
I think you need to register it. Did you register it?
I almost
What do you
thought
mean?
RPCs
It
to
In
rock,
the
paper,
There's a
scissors.
500. So it's not my fault.
Developer.discord.com or something.
Yeah, you gotta
Oh my
register it.
gosh.
You gotta
Oh, the
register your
developer. Yeah,
application.
I did. I have the application ID. Matt
The
registered it.
DeLorean that runs Pearl's license plate says Nerdvana.
What do you mean?
Did you pin?
To make a rich presence for Windows Media Player. I can't say it went very well.
Actually, the
can
license
actually.
plate on that DeLorean should have like a really complicated regex expression.
Yes. No, it should just have like all the sigils and
Yes, it should.
$sign
It
at
it
symbol %sign.
it should be trying to dereference a reference to an array that is full of hashes.
Wow. Yeah.
Yes, it's just as complicated as it sounds.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Okay, what is Tim Chen doing? He should join right now.
Yes,
he
he
said he had to
should.
go.
Why
So-
did he go? Is he busy
I don't
making
know,
more
like
bugs?
work.
Hello.
I mean, Repl.it doesn't have to work on the weekends.
Okay.
No, he's meeting his girlfriend.
Yeah.
TV?
I didn't know
Rob should
programmers had
join.
girlfriends.
Rob is not even. Okay.
He is idle.
Yeah, that means he's not at his computer.
Okay, but he
Unless
still
he
could.
It
I
just
mean,
means
unless
he hasn't
he's
been typing on Discord for a
he
while.
He's
is
more
online.
he's more active
But-
than like Turbio.
Yes,
Yeah.
because Turbio uses the website when
No,
so like
because
Never
Turbio is
seen
offline.
Turbio.
yeah, he used the website version, so he has to launch a browser in order to use Discord. But Rob uses
Mm.
the app.
What, you don't like constantly have a browser open?
No?
I use the browser most of the time, but I'm on my phone right now.
I believe
Yeah,
Rob's
I
away
am-
for the weekend.
I use Vivaldi for my browser for some reason.
Oh, you do
Well,
too?
that's
Yeah, I do.
how does everyone use Vivaldi? And I've never heard of it until Van talked about it.
I've got like a custom
It's
theme right
it's an
here.
up and coming browser.
It's like dark gray
Vivaldi?
and orange.
I'm
Yeah.
not using that thing.
What do you mean?
It's Google Chrome.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
that's
Much more customizable. But
Actually, I use
that's just its
Chromium.
backend though.
That way, I use Chromium so I can use an older version of Chrome that actually like looks good.
Oh yeah, the old version.
Yeah, I have Chromium 70, so I can have it. I can have the old UI.
Wait, didn't they already remove it?
Move what?
I think they removed the old UI.
Well, yeah,
in
but
later
I-
versions.
It's open source, so I can download older versions of it,
That is true.
which is how I was able to do it.
Okay. But yeah, I use Chromium on like my Raspberry Pi and stuff.
Well, does anybody actually use Opera besides me?
Opera.
No, not
Yeah.
really. I don't.
I
Did
know
any-
some.
I like how
I also-
Tabe is like the king of obscure stuff, but he's never heard of Vivaldi.
Well,
Like-
that's because Vivaldi isn't obscure. It's just weird.
What do you mean?
What?
Like it, like
Vivaldi's pretty common.
No, just
I've
look at what he
never-
posted.
I never hear anyone talk about it or even mention it unless they're talking about the composer.
Wait, what?
Vivaldi's a composer?
No,
yeah,
Vivaldi is
he
a
made the
Belgian.
four. Vivaldi, like the
Hmm.
dude who made the Four Seasons.
Okay.
Thought that was the Earth.
No, like
Okay.
I'm joking. I know
That
who
was
he
a
is.
good one.
okay, good.
Do any of you guys play an instrument?
Yeah.
I play the bass and handbells.
I
I
play.
oboe and percussion.
I play first violin and orchestra, and also I used to play the clarinet, but I had to drop it because I didn't have enough space for the extra class.
But yeah, I play
I
oboe
play-
mainly, and I just started learning percussion.
I'm in my high school's normal orchestra class, but there's like a higher one called chamber. I could be in it, but I was just too lazy last year to actually audition for it.
I'm in my
I could have
8th
done
grade
it.
advanced band.
Oh, I'm in
It's
like
an
a high school
AP.
one.
AP instrument classes. I'm joking.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get into a STEM magnet program.
A what?
A STEM magnet program.
Magnet?
Yeah, it's like it's still a public school, but you have to like apply and stuff.
I bet it attracts a lot of
And
people.
yeah, that's actually why it's called that.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Oh, I still thought the pun was good.
Yeah.
Hmm?
All right.
New puns being thrown around.
Well, yeah, why
Do
not?
you
Puns.
do you have
You know-
musical instrument course at school?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
do.
did?
Have what
Okay.
at school?
I'm actually in 2 bands, 3 actually, if you count jazz band.
You don't need a band though. Just make music on.
I'm an orchestra.
I don't really have that at, at but I play little piano and djembe, drum.
Oh, you play drums? Yeah. There's djembe in one of the African
Yes.
pieces we're playing.
Well, usually if there's like drums in a piece we're playing, our music teacher usually plays the drums and has like
Yeah.
someone else conduct.
Cool. My music teacher has hearing aids.
Well, that's funny. My music teacher like loses his voice almost all the time.
Somewhat finished my color library.
Color
6-0?
library for what?
Didn't like any of the Python color libraries, so I made my own.
But yeah,
Why
I'm
did you
working.
make it in Python though?
Gosh,
I
Python is
enjoy
bad.
using
6.
Python.
What about PyCord? How's it going?
We don't have to talk about that.
Does that mean that you completely forgot about it, or
He
you're
doesn't
too
wanna
lazy to
talk.
I
actually?
still I work on. I actually made a fair amount of progress. It like connects to the gateway, and will actually surprised even. Um, the
Okay, why?
problem is I just have
Is
to
this like
create
your
so many
alternative to
models.
Discord.py?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
trying to eliminate attribute chaining, which is just like message.author. I'm completely getting rid of that.
Ah, cool.
I
Yeah. I
I
typically
may
use
look into like
JavaScript.
making my own Discord thingy for Perl 6 because the current one, I don't know why, but there's this dependency it has that won't install on my computer, so I
Yeah,
haven't been able
I
to use
actually
it.
saw that one. It uses like React Win, doesn't it?
Maybe it's like I have to look at it again, but yeah, it doesn't install it. It can install everything else because I did all that manually. Yeah,
That's a thing.
it is.
Well, so I have to post it.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm making.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why did they call their package manager Zeph?
Um, there's probably a good story behind it, but I haven't looked into it.
Yeah.
But it used
Name
to
Zeph.
be called Panda, but Panda is really now just for Debane because they haven't supported Debane in like 3 years. Uh, Panda was really bad though.
Okay. What's you like? What's
You
your
had to
guys'
install
favorite?
all dependencies manually.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, and on Linux, you always had to like reconfigure the path and other really bad stuff or annoying
Wait,
stuff.
what? Well,
What
like,
what kind of Linux do you have?
Well, I have Debane on on a VM on my computer.
Debane.
Uh,
okay.
yeah, and
Why
I
not?
also have
Nice.
a
Why not?
Spell
Raspberry
it
Pi.
Debian.
Debian or maybe whatever.
I've always called it.
Debian.
I've called it Debane, like
Yeah.
always. But I
Debane.
chose Debane for my virtual machine because the Raspberry Pi is based off of Debane.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why it's
Raspbian.
called Raspbane.
That is true.
Raspbian. Okay.
But it's
Raspbian.
called Raspbian though.
But it's based on ARM. It's even worse.
Well, when I downloaded the virtual machine, I had no clue how to set up Linux, but I got it working anyway somehow.
Yeah,
But
I use
apparently the
KDE Neon.
desktop I installed was I really don't like it. It doesn't even let you use the actual desktop.
Oh,
You should
what
It's like a
environment?
Chromebook in that sense.
You should
Ah,
get
damn, that's bad.
KDE Plasma. That's my favorite
No,
desktop
Yeah,
environment.
get Genome if you want cancel. Right.
No,
Well,
Gnome is horrible. No,
I
Gnome
really
looks
just
bad
got
and
it.
it's inefficient.
Right,
I
that is
really
true.
just got it so I could like you install stuff that wouldn't work on either of my computers, like Crystal, which surprisingly enough doesn't work well on Debian and Ubuntu, so that was awesome. And like
Crystal the
Sixel
language?
stuff. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
how?
I don't know why it didn't work. But like I also used it to test out Sixel stuff in Pascal. Which
Pascal.
worked surprisingly well.
Is there like any documentation for Sixel or did you figure it out?
I figured it out. Matt does it a pretty different way. Basically, I found the 6 characters that only draw one line, or like
Okay.
only fill in one column or whatever. So I
And then
just
you
use a bunch of those.
draw a bunch of lines. Yeah.
Yeah, but Matt has this thing where for his Sixel library that actually determine
Oh.
like it chooses a character for each kind of thing. It's
So it's like
probably
pixel
why
by
it took him
pixel.
so long.
It's because. Oh my
My
god.
the way I did is probably faster actually because it doesn't have to do like any sort of use any sort of algorithms.
Rip. No, I'm looking
Yeah.
at the message. They said
What
the
is-
migration of data caused the.
Wait for
What,
for
is
that
this what
crash.
Discord
Yeah.
said?
Oh. Oh, it was down for like 15 minutes.
Migrating is hard.
Yeah. You can cause an entire riot on the internet just by doing it.
So probably the reason there was some leftover slowness was the Postgres. How do you pronounce that?
Do what?
Pronounce Postgres.
I have no clue.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That talk about Crystal reminded me of something. Has anyone actually looked into it?
Looked into Crystal.
Yeah, it's apparently
Well, I
like
did
Ruby.
before I learned Ruby, so I wasn't too
Yeah,
interested.
it's kind of like Ruby, but
Yeah.
like it's more. It there's macros.
Isn't it functional?
No, not quite.
Yeah.
Just as functional as normal Ruby, but it's a
Yeah.
bit. You can be strict about the types, and it's compiled.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that's what really got my attention.
Yeah. So
'Cause-
wait, maybe Elixir.
And
is
it's a
the
lot
functional
faster.
one.
Yeah, Elixir is very functional. It does look a little like Ruby. But
Yeah,
yeah,
I think
Crystal.
they both said they were kind of Ruby-ish on the website.
Well, from what I've heard, the one of the lead developers on the Elixir team was also one of the developers who made Ruby on Rails.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's probably that probably
Rails is like
influenced
the
its
web
design.
framework, right?
Yeah, I never liked using it because it's too weird. Really, any web framework is. I'll just stick with jQuery.
Yeah. I use Express for my backend typically.
I never do backend stuff because it's too much of a pain, and I don't like it anyways. I
But I
I don't
wouldn't
even.
use
I'll
jQuery on my front end.
yeah. I'll be honest. I don't even know how SQL works.
I learned it a while ago.
I tried looking into it, but it was just really weird. So I just
Yeah,
require
R for
CoffeeScript and
users
jQuery and
where
do stuff.
name equals whatever. I think that's a valid.
Yeah. Well, I even think stuff like React is weird and confusing. I just because I
React
don't.
is like my favorite web framework though, because Vue and Angular are just really weird.
Well, all of them are. Well, no, Vue is just stupid. Angular,
Vue
I
is really
actually
weird.
thought it was okay.
Angular's okay. Yeah.
Angular, I thought was okay for a while, but eventually I'm like, this is making my head hurt too much.
Yeah, Angular is the one that like W3 schools teaches. So
I thought it was interesting because you could like make variables equal like entire HTML elements, I guess.
yeah,
With
that's
React, I didn't like how you had to set up
like
which
JSX and everything.
yeah, which
Should
is why I
ask
still don't like
Amasid.
it.
You should ask Amasid about React because
Oh
he's
no, I don't
apparently an
like it any.
expert.
I
Yeah, you
don't
should
really
ask
like
him.
it anyways, because I want like my websites to be dynamic.
Yeah.
Which, if you have watched like some of Repl.it's interviews and stuff, or like listen to some of the stuff Tim Chen or Assad talks about, React not being dynamic has been one of the problems when with like trying to fix some of the UI stuff on the website.
I agree.
Like
Wait, what do you
having a
mean?
drag and drop in, like having a drag and drop interface is pretty much impossible with React because they have it structured in React, like the UI. So
Well,
like,
Repl.it managed to do
Well,
it for the file system.
Scratch is made in React, and that's very drag and drop.
well, that probably like the website, but not like the actual not like the actual
Well,
blocks.
I've looked at the source code.
I thought that the blocks and stuff were made in Flash.
No,
Yes.
the
Yeah.
Scratch 3.0 is made in JavaScript.
Well, I didn't even know 3.0 came out.
Yeah, it did. Came out this month.
Oh, that's probably why I haven't heard about it. I haven't used it in like 2 years.
Yeah, neither.
It's probably better than Python at this point.
Mhm.
Doesn't it have like anonymous like functions or and stuff like that?
Um, it's like it's the same library pretty much with a few extensions you can install now. Like you can have it work with like Philips Hues and stuff.
Mm.
So
So
you can
yeah,
have a
better than
smart home
Python.
powered by Scratch.
Hmm.
That's kind of funny to think about.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm something of a programmer myself. It's like that tweet of Trump going, "Oh, I get it. I'm a very good developer."
Even though Scratch is not programming, it's just as much as programming as Python is to me.
Can we? Language debates is for the language debate channel. This is not what town hall is about.
Okay.
Okay, but it doesn't. You never said we couldn't, so
I just did. There you go.
okay.
Yeah, here's the picture of the Trump saying, "I'm a very good developer."
Yeah, wasn't that when like
That's for
people
houses,
found
though.
that incorrect
Yeah, I know.
JavaScript code on his website or something?
No, it
There's like
wasn't.
there's code on his website or something making that was supposed to be making fun of Obama, but in in an if statement it used one equal sign instead of two.
Oh, that's great. You gotta
Yeah.
use 3 in JavaScript though if you want like
Yeah,
actual
3.
equality. Silence.
Connect to the gateway. Oh my god. Yes, yes,
Mhm.
yes. Okay, that's
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
Did you? What happened?
I think something finally connected.
Well, it's not
Mm.
working. Internal server error. Oh my god. The bots are not back.
You
But,
are
yeah,
cutting out.
Coffee's still offline.
Wait, who is?
Coffee's still offline.
Coffee. Who's Coffee?
Naka's bot.
Yeah, Naka's bot.
Oh.
4-bit. We need 4-bit. Where's 4-bit?
Yeah, where's 4-bit?
It says that Elias is on here, but and Eaz, but
They
I'm
never
not hearing
talked.
either of them.
Elias
That-
talked last time.
Yeah,
He's not talking.
Oh
immediately.
yeah, Eaz is on here. I just saw him mute and unmute himself.
Yep, see. I can hear him like
Yeah.
clicking, I think. Or is that someone else?
Oh, Elias just talked.
Yeah.
Jeez, do you have like a mechanical keyboard or something? That was
Me?
loud.
I love
Oh, my
mechanical.
bad.
Oh, he
keyboards.
must be one of those people who like absolutely smashes their keyboard whenever
No,
they're
my
typing
keyboard is
something.
just really loud.
Yeah, I'm just
I
on
like
a,
loud keyboards.
It's literally
get
like a
told
typewriter.
Class, I'm like still like
yeah,
slamming my
I'm on an
keyboard.
HP.
It's like, no, I'm not. I'm just typing. But people think I am.
I'm on an HP keyboard.
Is it really that loud?
It was pretty loud. Yeah, that's pretty loud.
Yeah, what? Yeah,
it sets
that's
off your speak to talk thing, Naka.
Oh, damn.
Speak
Right.
to talk.
because it sounds like you're just. It sounds like you're killing your mouse or something.
My mouse.
Yeah,
That's my
your
keyboard.
computer mouse.
This is me killing my mouse. You know, I'm not gonna do it.
Need to disable this inspection.
Naka, Naka, and Zaka.
Is there a
How do I
Sokka
disable
somewhere?
my
Oh,
inspect-
oh. What have you done, Zwack?
Jack Flya.
Wait,
Yes?
what?
Jack Fly.
Where's
Jack
Zaka?
Flya.
It can be Jaka.
Hey, no,
Jack-
please change it back.
Zaka. Zwack.
I'm Jaka.
Okay, we should have permission to change our nickname.
Yeah, I was thinking about
Alright, what
that.
Jaka or what Aka version?
Zaka.
What?
Okay, we should change Timton to Zimchin.
There's another server I'm on that where like the mods were so annoyed trying
Yes,
typing in
it's
my
Mike,
entire
it's
name,
annoying.
they just shortened it to TAB.
Oh my god. Who changed my name to Jaka?
Excuse what?
Why is it Laka? Oh my god, what?
Can you not?
Okay,
I
we
like
should
where
change
this is
Matt.
going.
We should change Matt to Mecca.
No,
Do you want to be changed back?
No, change it to Mecca.
yeah, I
change-
want to be changed back.
Okay,
Alright.
I want to see me change back, please.
I
So I'm still at the top of the list.
Alright,
Hmm.
oh shoot, I scrolled past the J's. Alright.
Okay, wait. Let me screenshot this first. Okay, cool.
Leon, you want to be changed back?
Yeah, please.
I should probably get changed back too.
Wait, Leon's name changed? I don't see it.
He changed it to Laka.
Oh, I didn't see that. My phone
Oh,
is
wait,
really
let me-
stupid.
Let me so you can
Oh,
see it.
yay, I'm back to me.
I wish I could change Tim Chen's nickname, but I can't.
You can't.
Oh,
He's
you
the server
can't?
owner.
What? You can't?
Yeah, you can't change server owners' nicknames.
Ah.
Alright, we have
Change any of the admins' nicknames.
Yeah, you
Laka,
should have
Look at the
used
names.
Naka.
you should have used your mod privileges even more.
Oh, that was
Okay,
before he changed
easy.
my name.
I think we gotta be ending this because like it would be ending
Well,
at like
we
3
haven't really
o'clock.
talked about anything Repl.it related
Yeah.
that much.
Yeah.
What
We should
ice
do that.
climbers? What ice climbers?
How do you guys feel about the current folders that were just added?
I think that they
It's a
need to
bit
be better.
clunky.
Yeah, they need.
Folders,
I
yeah.
think that when you are in a folder and you create a REPL, it should be in that folder that you're in automatically.
Mm-hmm.
Just like in like a normal folder on your computer or something, it should do that.
I feel like the folders, like just the way they look, they take up too much space.
I haven't made any folders, so I can't.
You
really
should also be able to
contribute
like
this
maybe
conversation.
drag and drop your REPLs into the folder. That would be cool.
Yeah, would
And
be nice.
Wait, you can? Probably not on mobile though.
Guess
Mobile.
not.
Mobile.
I mean, I think mobile, like, it's not really
Oh.
the main concern.
They're gonna
like-
release a mobile app in 2019 as they plan, but I don't
No,
think it's
Yawn.
really gonna work out.
when I say mobile, I actually mean like my iPad because I use my iPad for a lot of stuff. Not like my phone. My phone, I hate coding on. But like my iPad, it has like
Right,
a
exactly. It was same
keyboard and
thing.
stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have,
Matt, it
like,
was same thing.
hacker. I have a code board and like an IDE on there.
Mm. What am I
Oh my
hearing?
gosh. Zwack is still Zaka.
You're not.
We'll stay that way. I only
Yes,
change my
I want
name
it. Yes,
every
let's have that.
town hall.
I think that's gonna stick.
Maybe Zwag would change his back. Change his name next year.
I
Wait, can
remember
you-
when I first joined, his name was actually Zwack.
Yeah. Wait, can you change Rob's name to like something
No.
talking about how he's a god?
No.
Raka.
Why not?
He's higher than Zwag. He can't
Raka.
change that.
Oh, what? How? Well, who isn't?
Tim check.
Only
the
Repl.it
Guardian's
team
name,
is
but
higher
I
than
think the
Zwag.
Guardians can change it back.
Mm.
Zwaka, yeah, change to that.
That's a good idea.
I just realized HFB's bot is still on here,
Yeah, it is.
Well, because
think-
it's
even though
always
he
connected.
left. Well, even though he left.
Yep, there we go. There's.
Okay, we should change
Zwaka.
K pasta to something.
Kaka? No, that
We need spaghetti.
K Pasca. K Pasca.
No, we need to change it to spaghetti.
Pasca is a bad word in Finnish.
Yeah, change to that. K Pasca.
It's
No.
a bad word in Finnish.
No, just have it be spaghetti. It's kind of pasta.
That was not the point, though. We need more cars, you mean?
Okay, well, that's not what I was saying.
My bot is connected. Let's see.
Alright, I think we're going to call it a day, unfortunately. But we will be having one soon because the Repel.it team was not here.
Oh no.
Yeah, I have a.
No, I just came for the end.
Days.
Wait, who is
Unfortunately,
that?
yes.
Escoder 12.
Oh.
You have like 10 seconds.
I have
Okay, you still
school on
remember last time
Mondays
that you
and my
literally
wife
just deleted the channel?
By the way, when is there gonna be like an official one of these?
When
Also just
team gets on. That's all.
Oh, well, that's nice. I don't know
Maybe
if I'll be
tomorrow, even next
available
5,
then.
4, 3,
No, hold on.
2.
Time
Goodbye,
plus
guys.
equals 10.
Okay, we can still talk. We can still talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay.
I am really bad at this.
Matt, you have to send us the recordings, okay?
Yeah, please. Wait, what?
Something just happened.
Yes, Mike. Can't even hear you.
Wait, Matt, could you?
Leaves. Lol. He says.
Yeah, just send in like off topic or something.
Yeah.
No, he's gonna upload it to Google Drive and then send it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have like a bunch of projects I should probably be working on for school.
I have midterm next
Yeah,
week.
me too. Yeah, stuff I should probably
I
do.
don't have midterms, but
I just finished midterms a few weeks ago before winter break.
I have.
You're
some
lucky.
projects.
I got.
Moopy doesn't have even have midterms.
Somehow got a B on every single one.
Oh wow.
That's sad.
Well, no, I thought I did worse and better on some of them.
Well,
I took the PSAT. At the
Well, no,
beginning
I
of
got a
February.
100% on my orchestra one because he lost all
wait,
of our exams.
wait. You have exams on orchestra.
Well,
in your
yeah,
school.
but because like he has to put in a grade for it, but he lost all of our exams somehow, even though
Oof.
it was online. So he just gave us 100.
Oof.
Oof.
But like, I thought I did really bad
Alright,
on the
I still don't know
chemistry
how to
one.
get rid of, like, make it so you guys can't talk, so I'm just gonna delete this.
Well, I don't get why
No,
we
please.
talk